Call ahead for reservations.
Well, here in our high alpine communities, we always try to be as sustainable as possible, and Minturn is no exception. And I'm excited to be here with Ellie from Xcel Energy. Thank you for joining me this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, you're quite welcome. So you guys have a really cool initiative going on, not just at the Minturn market, but in Minturn as a whole this summer.
Absolutely. So since 2017, Minturn is one of our partners in energy communities, and through that initiative, they've developed their own energy action plan, which is really exciting. And through that, they've laid out some great goals and strategies that we're hoping to connect some residents and businesses with those strategies today. So we just have a booth on hand, so encourage everybody to stop by. And with that, we also have a home energy squad technician here, so encouraging residents specifically to sign up for a home energy squad visit. And so for only $50, a technician will come to your home and install different energy efficiency measures. So that's like LED light bulbs, some faucet aerators, they'll do some weather stripping, and a lot of other great measures to your home, and also provide other recommendations that they can make. So stop by and talk to our technician and get signed up for that, and it's over $200 worth of value.
Yeah, that's wild. For only $50, you can get $200 of value, but the impact that it can have on your monthly heating or energy bills is astounding.
Absolutely. Yeah, and so with that, it kind of ties into Minturn's broader goals. So there's a greenhouse gas related emissions building goal. There's just reducing overall energy use, and one other as well around participation. So we hope that you can do your part and be a Minturn energy saver.
Great partnership between Xcel Energy and the town of Minturn. It's really
Yes.
great to see that going on.
Absolutely.
So that's kind of a all year long you can spend the $50 to get the $200
Yep.
upgrade, but today at the booth you've got some special deals going on as well.
Absolutely. So here at the booth as well, we have stickers about being a Minturn energy saver. We want you to share how you can help us save energy. So we want to answer all your questions and just pick your brains on how we can best support you. We're also handing out free energy conservation kits. So in there, there's a bunch of different free bulbs. You get a solar battery, cell phone charger, and a few other items as well. So that's great and fun to take home and just put right there.
A free solar battery cell phone charger?
Yes.
That's some incredible technology. I think those are normally like $50.
Oh yeah, those are much more. Lots of fun. I might steal one myself.
Well, I mean, technically you just came to the booth, you're in front of it, so
Yeah.
you're visiting now, so it's not stealing.
No, just gonna take one of my own.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
we have such a big camping community up here. That's going to be really handy.
Absolutely, yeah. So we have over 50 to hand away. So we have plenty to go around for sure.
Yeah, and your booth pretty prominent here at the Minturn Market. You just when you come in the entryway, make a left at the first intersection. Down maybe 50 steps on your right, you'll find the gray booth, Xcel Energy. You've got really friendly, really awesome people here. Come say hi to Ellie. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much. Thank you everybody, and definitely stop by and be a Minturn energy saver.
Yeah, we really appreciate being as sustainable as possible, and thanks to Xcel Energy and the town of Minturn, we're trying to achieve those goals. So stop by this tent today, get your free solar-powered cell phone charger. Also sign up to have your home evaluated and bring $200 worth of additional potential savings into your home. And stick with us, we got more fun on Good Morning Vail coming up right after this.
Jeff Foxworth.